Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Photoleap app in your iPhone. So guys, if you don't know how to download this app, then this video is for you. So just go ahead and open App Store first, since we're using an iPhone, and that is where we download apps. And once you're here, just go ahead and tap on search over here, which should be in the lower bar option. And once you do so, type in Photoleap and tap on search. And guys, as you can see in the first option, it says Photoleap. So that's the app that we want. Just tap here and tap on get and verify that it's you by double clicking to install with the Face ID, and we'll start downloading. So guys, that's how you download Photoleap in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.